everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix MeetMe app login problem on your Android phone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. MeetMe is one of the most famous dating and chat application on Android and iPhone. If you can't log into your MeetMe on Android, then here are some few fixes you could try out. First thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. If you're not connected to an internet, you won't be able to log into your account. The next thing to do is to check for available updates for MeetMe app. Simply open up your Play Store and go to the search box and type in MeetMe in the search bar. If you see an update button right next to the MeetMe application, give a tap to update and download the latest version of MeetMe app. Sometimes just updating the application might help you solve your issue. Once you are done updating the app, launch the app open and try logging into your account again. If you're still not being able to log in, the next thing to do is to simply clear cache for your MeetMe app on your Android phone. Locate your MeetMe application from the app drawer and press hold the app. Tap on app info from the pop-up and this will open up the app info page. Tap storage and tap on clear cache at the bottom right. Also tap on the clear data button at the bottom left and make sure that you know your credential for your MeetMe app. Tap on OK after you do and go back and launch open MeetMe application. Enter your credentials to log in and see if that fixes the issue. If that still doesn't work, you can try rebooting your Android device. Press the power button and tap on restart from the options. Once you reboot your system, you can go back and tap open MeetMe app and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you're not being able to log into your MeetMe app via Android phone. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.